Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this fun flamingo and coral design. So stay tuned. Here are the items that I will be using. I will be using the Lena 4 Seasons Summer 01 plate, and I'll be using the flamingos right here and the coral right up here. My stamping polishes are from Bundle Monster. This one is liquid gold, and this pink one is Rave Babe. I will also be using a hollow top coat. This one is from KB Shimmer, as well as a regular top coat. And my stamper is from Uber Chic. So to get started, what you're gonna wanna do is lay down your base. This is 2 coats of China Glazes, white on white. And then I have 2 coats of China Glazes, white on white, with the Bundle Monster stamping polish on top. I'm pretty sure this is opaque on its own. I just did the white underneath to give it the true pigmentation, so match the flamingos. So to begin, we are going to start with the gold. And we are going to do the gold corals first. And I do a little bit more polish when I do the gold and on these finer designs, just because I find it kind of skips if I don't. We're just gonna place it right on there. Sorry that I was out of frame for that. Okay, and then we're just gonna move down here to the flamingos. We're gonna do the gold first. This is why I decided to do the gold coral first as well. It just is a smooth transition to just move on to the next, to the gold flamingos. So first you lay down the gold flamingos. And then you're going to want to clean your plate, and this is when I clean off the coral as well. And then we are doing the Rave Babe pink for the flamingos. And this is where you're going to want to have a clear stamper, so that you can line up those flamingos just a titch off of each other, so that you can see the golds coming through almost like they're etched in gold. Here is where you will take your cleanup brush dipped in acetone and just go around and do any necessary cleanup. You could have protected your finger with liquid latex beforehand so that you didn't have to do this, but I find, which is smart with these shimmery polishes. The gold, I probably should have done that, but we are kind of in a hurry. We're heading out the door here in just a minute to go to a family movie night. It's an outdoor movie night, so that's why it's like kind of a timed thing, but I just wanted to get on here and show these for you guys. Okay, and then over the flamingos, you are going to take your hollow top coat. And then over your coral, you're just going to take your regular top coat. And you could put a hollow top coat over all of these, but I find where the coral is that shimmery gold, I just like it best with the plain top coat. And these would look absolutely amazing matte. I just don't have a good matte top coat right now, so I'm just using the shiny top coat. But here is your finished design, and my thumb just matches the other ones. It has the flamingos on them. But here's your final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click that thumbs up button, as well as follow me on all my other social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's all the same except for Twitter is LC Polished. As always, be polished, wear polished, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.